Nkiama ya miankana ithurano IEBC ni iregete gukurukia rwirite kathumba bagi siasa baria barachoaga gite kia urais bwa Kenya amwe na baria bageriome ni musiasa Jimmy Wanjigi, Mwini Ruben KIGAME na mutongere wa kiama kia Third Alliance uria wamenyekanire muno na rwaria rwapunguza mizigo niwe Dr. AUKOT BATHATU BAUGITE kaba kuinyirwa ni nkiama eje na BAGETA KOTI gochwa kioto kiao.
Na nyume kwa bironde bene gite kio rais nkiama IEBC mutumiria Ruben KIGAME wakiri AUKOT mwana biashara musiasa Jimmy Wanjigi na ndibo gite bakethira bagita na mbere na kuthitanga nkiama IEBC kenda gutigirwa kwethwa beshoka ndebene kaire kere gikaro kiamwe obisine cha Wanjigi ja Westlands Nairobi bondi bithukirite IEBC obobwega na komingiritirie nkomango cheke mumu harabonde bugiti barachethera karata na nyankoroki korero ambara.
We knew these things were going to come. So we are ready for you. Na muna bahati mbaya. Kwa sababu tunajua sheria ya Kenya and we were ready for you.
I promise you a legal battle never seen in this side of the tropics. We will fight all the way and I will use all my legal acumen. I will go to all the courts. I will quote all the laws. I will produce all documents from IEBC itself confirming how they have always applied the law in regard to qualifications.
We are not going to allow our country to be mistreated like somebody's chattel, or we're not going to allow individuals to hide behind institutions. Personally, I'm going to make a case against each and every of those commissioners.
Atere kulingana motho jithurano ja mwaka 2017 nkiama IEBC utumira kagite ne gaka ni ate kanya kagwetoshurie gamba kire mwenderezo jojo mateta kibara bwenyirikite mu katariki 9 cia mweri jotori irani ntuku ijire kumanarua tayari naku nkiama ya IEBC ntuku agoro niratumire marito jana jaro bagite kio rais jabo mulino mutongeri onde William Ruto wa kiama kia UDA Professor Ruchiri wa Jakoya wa kiama kia Roots Party waiga Mwaura wa kiama kia Agano Party Raila Odinga wangwatani Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya.
We asked for a meeting, he granted us on the 5th in order to resolve this. And I have witnesses in that room. He says that I understand your case, but my hands are tied. I would like to know who is tying Chebukati's hands.
My candidature seems to be bothering one particular person. And that person is Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. It bothers him. And I want to be categoric that he has tried before and not succeeded, and even now he will not succeed.
Mukarigete Chebukati na nkiama ya IEBC bendete kwethwa bemure kwa nuntu bocha bachabania nteto arentu kwegoro barebererito rewota mungare kana nyambane ora bambite gwitikire ukanyumene na transcript ya kithomo kia digiri ire Wanjigi arare ayo baba inge nandi bambirite kwethwa beshuria ithwa IEBC gikunekeni tonire nteto ije kana abareterete Wanjigi bonthe patijanirwa ome. Wanjigi arebero ntuko goro ntubo kwa mathomo ja digiri ara KIGAME beno AUKOT bebero kiume kethiru ntubo kwa gesiningani.
Now, Kenyans, are you aware that I don't appear in the list of those who are passed as the 4, and I don't even appear in the list of those who are disqualified? What does that tell you? That Chebukati and his team treat me as a non-entity. They treat me as an accident. They treat persons with disability with disdain. And I'm here to tell you this. It will not happen.
Nke report Rantoshoro TV kumaja kingine ngine Nairobi Peter Bonfils Mungera.